Virtual Presence, Virtual Classroom, Virtual Meeting, anyhow you want to call it. Okay, so today we want to discuss about how you can manage your data. If you are using the data, or let's say your data, you don't have much data, or your internet is not so good, not that so fast, you just have some little kilobyte kind of data, so you can manage that using this solution and you can still have the class effectively. All you need to do is that the system would allow you, instead of normal way, let's say you are using other virtual presence solutions where people share their cam and to just display, videos takes a lot of data, cam takes a lot of data, right? So you can manage that from this system. So from our back end, from our virtual presence, you can manage your data. All you need to do is that you see these three dot icon options, so click on it and you go to setting. When you go to setting, then here you can do a lot of settings personal to you. You can say, because when people join through audio or people leave, or there's a chat going on, pops sound, and you don't want all of those sound, right? It's irritating. You can switch it off, right? You can switch them off, you can switch them on. You don't want the sound for chat, you don't want pop-up side, you can do all of those things, right? Then this is where I'm going, which is the data saving. Right, your bandwidth is not so good, right, and you want to have a good experience. You want to you want to be able to hear everything easily. You don't want your videos that have to do with sharing videos on virtual conference or sharing webcam, other users sharing their webcams. It's going to be downloading, displaying to you, and it's going to be using data, right? Not so much, but it's going to take in bandwidth data, in terms of your speed. So if you want to manage your speed, you want to effectively listen to this virtual presence, your meetings or your class effectively, you can switch off cam. So when people shares their cam, you won't see it at all. So it won't take up your data, take your bandwidth. So if there is a desktop sharing, somebody is sharing his desktop or screen, you don't have to, because it's going to be downloaded to you. You can take it off totally that you don't want to see. So once you are done, you can just click on save. So that is how to manage your data with BaseConverge. Yeah, quickly let me just dive out a bit, and I'm going to come in here to full screen, make full screen. If you do like this, you're going to have a full screen experience of your virtual classroom, right? So at any point in time, you can take off the full screen. You can take off the full screen and have your what's it called, back, your interface back. Okay, so and for the admin or the person coordinating, you're the one controlling, moderating, or coordinating the meeting, right? So or the classroom, or you are the teacher. Now this end meeting here, if you just want to go and come back, you can click on log out and come back. But this end meeting here means that this virtual presence will be terminated totally. If you click on it, it is gone. You have to create another meeting to meet up. Or another classes to meet up. So when you click on this, what it means is that there are two different things. If you click on log out, when you click on log out, you will only be logged out from this virtual class. So all other students, all your students or your participant will still remain in this class, or in this virtual presence, or in this room. So if you want to end everybody's session, the meeting is ended completely, you click on end meeting. When you click on end meeting, what will happen is that the session will be terminated here, the meeting will be jumped off, and at the same time, at your student end, all of them will be disconnected at the same time. Or at your participant, all of them will be disconnected, so that nobody will remain in this meeting. There will not be another class after you have left as a teacher. There will not be another meeting after you have left as the moderator or the presenter. This is how to do that. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. I will encourage you to watch other videos on BaseConverge on how to use virtual presence or virtual classroom, so to say, whatever it is you want to call it. Thank you for listening.